Good morning, all. We will be starting our program within few minutes. Pritiso,
Yes, ma'am.
let's start.
Okay, done, ma'am. Good morning to one and all. I, Pritesh Somani, the co-convener of this one-day virtual national conference, takes the opportunity to welcome our chief guest for the day, Dr. Baliram Gaikwad, Registrar, University of Mumbai, Chairman, Higher Education Institutions, CAIR Shetty, Vice Chairman, Shri Kishore Kumar Kutiyar, Shri Adarsh Shetty, Secretary of the institutions, CA Vishwanathan Shetty, Treasurer, CA Pradeep Shetty, our ex-chairman, and the guiding force behind NAC for Anna Leela College of Commerce and Economics, Shri N. Vivek Shetty. I also take the opportunity to welcome our IQAC convener, Surekha Shetty, convener of this conference, CA Kiran Gajjar, organizing secretary, Dr. Kiran Menghani, joint secretary, Nitin Dwivedi, treasurer of this conference, Vidya Darvesh, all the delegates within Maharashtra, outside Maharashtra, and my dear colleagues. Let me take the opportunity to take this inauguration ceremony ahead by taking the blessing of the Almighty. I request our IQAC convener, Surekha Shetty ma'am, convener CA Kiran Gajjar sir, along with other team members, to please proceed towards lighting of the lamp. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, I request you all to please raise for our institutional anthem. I request Professor Archana Patil to please play the institutional anthem.
सिखा दिया, हमें जीना सिखा दिया। विद्या का अधिष्ठान हो तुम, बन संघा की शान हो तुम। विद्या का अधिष्ठान हो तुम, बन संघा की शान हो तुम। माँ का मुझे तूने प्यार दिया, गीली मिट्टी को आकार दिया। हाथ मेरा थाम कर, बुलंदियों को निहार कर। उन्हें छूना सिखा दिया, हमें उड़ना सिखा दिया। धूप में मिली वो छाँव हो तुम, तेरे लिए आई वो नाव हो तुम। विद्या का अधिष्ठान हो तुम, बन संघा की शान हो तुम। विद्या का अधिष्ठान हो तुम, बन संघा की शान हो तुम।
Thank you, ma'am. It is indeed a pleasure working with an institute like Anna Leela College of Commerce and Economics, having a brilliant legacy to display. I request our IQAC convener, Surekha Shetty, to provide a glimpse of our college, Anna Leela College of Commerce and Economics, to all.
Good morning, one and all, gathered here for today's conference. Ban Sangha, established in 1927, is a socio-cultural organization of Ban's community of Mumbai. The community endeavors to promote socio-economic, cultural, and educational aspects of its members. A community dedicated to the welfare not only of its people, but also the society at large. Our college, Ban Sangha's Anna Leela College of Commerce and Economics, located at Kurla, is a dream project of Ban Sangha. Affiliated to University of Mumbai, college provides programs such as Bachelor of Commerce, Bachelor of Management Studies, Bachelor of Accounting and Finance, Bachelor of Science in Information and Technology, Bachelor of Arts in Multimedia and Mass Communication, and Masters in Commerce. These courses have garnered a good student base, that is 1,700 students in all. Well-equipped computer and electronic laboratories, big 100% ICT-enabled and air-conditioned classrooms, a wonderful library with many reference books, and excellent teaching faculties are the hallmarks of our institution. The college has received many accolades in the field of sports and cultural activities. Our students represented the college at university, state, zonal, national, and international level. Our students are lucky enough to have huge auditorium having 1,200 seating capacity and 3 mini halls along with the seminar halls. Well-equipped gymkhana and gymnasium are available for students and faculties at all the time. Every year, college conducts national conferences and other workshops. This year too, we have put our sincere effort to conduct virtual national conference in this pandemic situation. We have received overwhelming responses from different states. Team Anna Leela, along with our management, welcome all of you for today's conference and wishing you all the very best for your paper presentation. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for providing a brief glimpse of our college to all the delegates. Taking the function ahead, I call upon the convener of the conference, CA Kiran Gajjar, to provide us a brief idea about this one-day virtual national conference.
Good morning to one and all. Welcome to one-day virtual conference on emerging trend in commerce, information technology, management, and media, organized by the Research Committee in association with IQSC Committee of Anna Leela College. COVID-19 pandemic changed everyone's life in many ways. Classroom teaching replaced by online teaching. In same way, we adopted the new way of organizing the research conferences, that is virtual research conferences. Such kind of conferences are need of the hour. No doubt, we lacking lots of advantages of personal conferences like face-to-face speak, gossip on various things, shaking of hands, and very important is lunch and conversation over lunch and tea time. But research proved that there are lots of advantages of virtual conferences, and trend is likely to be continued even after the pandemic phase. People are increasingly trying to accept the new virtual reality of meetings, conferences, and even social gatherings. This one is the first virtual conference organized by Anna Leela College, in which our chief guest is going to be guide us on recent trend, and researchers are going to be share their ideas through their presentation of research papers. We are blessed to have two distinctive personality who are having the vast experience in field of research to guide us on improving our research in future. We are looking forward to have an excellent time with a great research talk today and gaining knowledge from participants and experts coming from different field all over the country. Thank you very much. Have a very good day ahead.
Thank you so much, Kiran sir. That was a well said, short idea and a brief profile of the conference which we are going to have today. Now, moving ahead, I request the organizing secretary of this conference, Dr. Kiran Menghani, to introduce our chief guest, Dr. Baliram Gaikwad, Registrar, University of Mumbai. Kiran ma'am, please mute yourself, unmute yourself.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to one and all. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to one and all. I extend my warm welcome to all of you in one-day virtual national conference based on emerging trends in commerce, information technology, management, and media. The first ever virtual paper presentation of our college. It gives me immense pleasure and great excitement to introduce our chief guest, Dr. Baliram Gaikwad, Registrar of University of Mumbai. At the outset, let me tell you that his multifaceted contributions and achievements are overwhelming. Sir is having vast experience of 21 years in teaching English literature at undergraduate level and 15 years experience at post-graduation level. His administrative responsibilities includes he served as vice principal of Degree College from October 2011, coordinator of NUSSD TIS, that is Tata Institute of Social Science, and NG Acharya Marathi College from 2000 December 2014. District coordinator for 50th and Youth Festival of University of Mumbai in 2017. Head of Department of English since 2007. Coordinator Remedial Coaching Center of the college 2010-12. Coordinator of Teach India Program College 2013 till date. His publication endeavors are awesome. Sir has authored many books on literature and various scholarly articles of profound knowledge importance in reputed international journals. His editorial work is indeed incredible, as Sir is the part of editorial board in various international journals bearing ISSN ISBN number. To name a few, editorial board member for International Journal of Humanities and Cultural Studies, North Africa, editor-in-chief for Research Chronicle, UGC approved journal. Sir is awarded Fulbright Nehru postdoctoral research fellowship in the area of comparative literature at University of Florida, USA. Sir is awarded UGC Delhi Travel Agent Grant for presenting a research paper in international conference at Malaysia in 2010. He's been invited as resource person at UGC HRDC RUSA sponsored refresher course in English in University of Mumbai and delivered total 18 lectures at international and national level conference at plenary session. Sir was also invited to deliver keynote speech at national conferences on trends in literature at Palghar College. He organized various conferences and seminars. To name a few, his contributions were organizer and panelist on relevance of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar conference in 2013, convener of an international conference organized in collaboration with Russian consulate in Mumbai in 2017. He is also a member of Board of Studies or in English subject at University of Mumbai, at SNDT, at Mithaibai College, to name a few. Such a substantial experience and versatile personality, truly an asset, remarkable asset for educational fraternity and resourceful in every way. Sir, we are honored and humbled to have you with us as mentor and guide. Thank you, Pritesh, sir.
Thank you, Kiran ma'am. That was a fantastic introduction of such a great personality which we have today. So without taking any more delay, I hand over the stage to our chief guest, Baliram Gaikwad, sir. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Kiran and Pritesh, for a very elaborated introduction. In fact, I was muted. I was trying to stop you in between because at early morning, we should start with the business and not with the introduction. Okay. So with this philosophy we work, I was trying to stop but couldn't do that. Anyway, thank you very much. Well, everyone, very, very good morning. This is a wonderful morning. We have to begin our days these days with extreme optimism and positivity. And I'm very, very delighted to be the part of this national conference today. Band Sanghas, all colleges, mostly the college in, you have got one institute in Powai, where I have a long association with Band Sanghas College in Powai. Anna Leela College, where this conference is happening, I still have association with them for a long time too. And I think you have another institute in Juinagar that I know a couple of people there. So very delighted to be the part of this national multidisciplinary one-day national conference. Friends in Anna Leela College of Commerce and Economics, that all of you are gathered today. All the esteemed management members of Anna Leela Bansanga's all the colleges. The today's resource persons are Dr. Kishori Bhagwat Madam and Dr. Kinari Thakkar, my colleague. Dear all delegates, the organizers, dear convener of this conference, Professor Surekha Shetty, IQC committee members, all the, I can see the enthusiasm of all the members, very enthusiastic and innovative IQC committee members. Professor Pritesh, Dr. Kiran, and all dear delegates. This morning, we all have gathered here to discuss about the emerging trends in commerce, information technology, management, and media. Let me first congratulate. This is not just the formality, but then it is necessity that it is such an appropriate time to discuss about things that you have selected as the topic of your e-conference today. In fact, all the disciplines across, across all the disciplines, they have been combined today. And more than any one permanent watertight compartment of any discipline these days, it's more and more these days, we are talking about interdisciplinary approach, whether it is humanities, science, technology, or commerce. More so, what has come so prominently these days as the kind of a very, very prominent discipline is interdisciplinary. And I think it is this approach, the interdisciplinarity in all the academic fields, they are coming out with more fruitful and more emerging powerful trend. And that is why thinking about all these kind of a very contrast and different, rather these are all the idea like the trends in commerce and again information technology, management, and media. In fact, all of these areas go hand in hand. And none of these areas we see, for example, media cannot work without having proper management and information technology, and giving thought about the idea of commerce. So none of these sectors can work in isolation, can work in completely in seclusion. And that is why, so having this kind of a very collective kind of idea, thinking about using this interdisciplinary approach about all these fields, and particularly in the light of last 20 years. Of course, in the last 2 years, things have radically changed. But if we see after 1992, the radical changes which have happened in global economy and media, that has been continuously affecting human lives. But particularly in the light of last 2 years, what is happening is we all are witnessing, it's a bizarre kind of a situation. At a time, there's a question of human existence has also been raised by this tiny microorganism. And in spite of that, even our human spirit will definitely conquer and win. And it is with this optimism we all are working. So I am very, very damn sure that the kind of research and the academics and the connect between research, academics, and society, that the entire day's deliberations which are expected today in this national symposium, in this national multidisciplinary one-day national conference, will definitely bear kind of expected desired fruits. Because what is most essential these days is this, that there's also a very large existing disconnect between research and academics. Many of the time the questions are raised about the kind of research that we all undertake. Does any of the research, or one of the parameters, the measurement to measure the success of any particular research should be what is the relevance of your research to society? And if you see the fundamental difference between the research which is being conducted by in the Western universities and in our universities also, if you see that basically our research, mostly we find that the research doesn't really reach to the people. Uh, Somebody has done research in banking and corporation sector, corporate banks and cooperative banks and all. So whether this research really brings any kind of implications in the policy of the government or banking sector, unless that happens, we really cannot say that there is kind of a strong connect and foundation between the research that we undertake and the research which is desired to give the fruits to society. Then that research will be only useful to an individual, to the researcher, in terms of getting, getting certificates and all. But that won't really percolate down to society. So we really need to see that the existing disconnect between the research and society, researchers, and the institutions. And of course, the most crucial role to be played is by academics. So this kind of disconnect will definitely be, that will be mitigated, addressed by the eruditory discussions today, which are going to happen in this national conference today. So without taking much of your time, I would like to pause here with the best wishes to the management of Anna Leela College. I also congratulate the organizers for having thought about this innovative, multidisciplinary, interconnected, interdisciplinary approach to discuss these various, or that way, different kind of topics, but putting together and discussing them in totality. So I congratulate both the IQAC committee and principal madam. I couldn't see, I know she's there. I congratulate Principal Madam and all of you, the entire team. And thank you very much for having patient listening and inviting me to your college. Last time I was there personally, and this time virtually I'm with you all. So have a wonderful day. Thank you very much. Good day.
Thank you so much, sir. It was pleasure hearing to you, you guiding us. Thank you so much for having you here, sir. Now, I call upon our chairman of Higher Education Institution, CAIR Shetty, to please guide us with the chairman address.
Good morning, everybody. On behalf of Bandh Sangha's Anna Leela College of Commerce and Economics and Shobha Jairam Shetty College of BMS, I take this opportunity to welcome all of you to this one-day national virtual conference on a contemporary topic, that's emerging trends in commerce, information technology, management, and media. This conference is highly relevant today as the world is changing at a rapid pace, where we have to adapt with the changing times. Now it is the era of digitization, artificial intelligence, bitcoins, quantum mathematics, robotics, etc. And therefore, the webinar of this kind is the need of the hour. Now, it is my pleasure to welcome our chief guest, Dr. Baliram Gaikwad, Registrar, University of Mumbai, to this conference. He had just spoken before me. It was very enlightening to hear from him. We are glad to have you with us. We also have with us two of our resource persons, Dr. Kishori Bhagat, Associate Professor, Pragati College of Arts and Commerce, Dombivli, and Dr. Anil Kumar, AB Government Postgraduate College, Himachal Pradesh. I congratulate the entire research team of Anna Leela College for organizing this virtual conference, and also wish all the best to the entire team. I look forward to the presentation of research papers by the delegates and wish them luck. Thank you all. We'll have a good learning in the process. We'll wait for the delegates' research presentation. Thank you all once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for guiding us. We come to the formal end of our inauguration program. I request treasurer of this one-day virtual national conference, Vidya Darvesh ma'am, to please propose the formal vote of thanks.
Thank you, Pritesh sir. Good morning, everyone. I, Vidya Darvesh, take this privilege to propose vote of thanks on behalf of Anna Leela College of Commerce and Economics, and Shobha Jayaram Shetty College for BMS. At the very outset, I would like to thank our management for giving us an opportunity to organize this event. I also wish to express my gratitude to our principal, Dr. Padma Deshmukh, for providing encouragement and support. I sincerely thank our chief guest, Dr. Baliram Gaikwad, Registrar, University of Mumbai, for kindly accepting our invitation and gracing the inaugural function through his motivational speech. I would like to thank our Chief Coordinator, Dr. Prashant Shinde, IQAC Coordinator, Ms. Surekha Shetty, and our Research Committee Convener, CA Kiran Gajjar, for providing their continuous guidance and support. I acknowledge the unwavering support received from all HODs and staff members. Thank you.
Thank you, Vidya ma'am. We come to the end of the formal function of inauguration ceremony. Within a short time, we will be starting with the first technical session of Commerce and Management. And all the paper presentations we will be starting very soon. Within after 5 minutes, we will be starting with our technical session. On the same link, or requesting all the participants to stay back on the same link, we will be starting with our technical session 1 on the same link. Thank you so much.